Hello, today we're going to discuss Bitcoin US dollar trading pair. I am DJ Thistle from Twitter, Edmund from Coin Street News, and we're going to be dissecting with chart tools the last post on the website. We were noticing that the structure in this bull market wave top and this bull market wave top was a lot similar to what's happening now. There was a lack of a real spike blow off top like seen here, and if we zoom way out, we see it in a lot of other moves too. Here, spike over there, other spikes along the way. So it happens more often than not with a bull market top. Doesn't mean it has to. So there is the potential that we could see this keep moving higher. The fractal of that would be this being congruent to this minus the top, and then it making what would be a new high. So if this stopped here, that got to run to a new high. So that could happen here. That's the bull view, because we have a rising Stoch RSI, just as we have a rising one here too. This one already kind of topped out and went down, but these are the two possibilities: the bear structure, the bull structure, and where we are now. So there's an orange pivot candle here, and an orange pivot candle here and there, and we also have, like a bull run here, a sell-off, accumulation period, dead cat bounce, bull market, sell-off, accumulation, dead cat bounce, bull market, sell-off, accumulation. Now it's either just going to be a dead cat bounce, or again pretend like this blow off top didn't happen and we can get a new high. I think that fib extension is around 940-ish. So yeah, we'll use our line tool here and to show across the top of the bodies of the candles and not necessarily the wicks, and where things line up. So we have the orange pivot bar above, the orange pivot is above. Here again, the orange pivot is above. Something that happens in this zone is that the orange pivot comes down, and then the price kinda does spike down, but it still prints green-ish candles. They're probably gray with the green dot underneath, or just slight green to the candles. But the main point is that the price action is above the lowest point of the orange pivot, whereas on this one the main price action is here underneath the bottom of the pivot candle. And this one, we're seeing a lot of it again above the bottom and the base of the orange pivot candle. So really, when it comes down to it, you can look at so many different indicators and ways to draw triangles and whatnot, but this level, this horizontal level here, really becomes a place where your position is going to fluctuate or change altogether, because it is basically being even, like you see here after the pivot and sell off, the red, and then on this side of the line is the green. So again, it's a key horizontal level where it is clearly bullish on one side and clearly bearish on the other. So at the end of the day, that's the most important thing for determining which direction this market is going to go as halving comes to a conclusion. So that's about it. We just wanted to identify the two main possibilities, which is, of course, it could go down or it could go up. But logically, why would it do one or the other? And right now we're seeing, because of the move above accumulation and where the pivot is here and how it moved bearish versus here where we have an orange pivot above accumulation and it stayed mildly bullish. We are lacking the green candles, so it's not as bullish as this setup here, but it is above our pivot, which is much more bullish than this setup here. So the tilt would be a bullish tilt. We have diminishing volume, so that has to resolve itself in a large move. Again, that will be a shoot up like that, or if you're getting to break down like that. There it is close up. We're coming to this triangle. Chances are people are going to be taking positions more as that breaks. But like I said, it all comes down to this clear horizontal line across the page. Right there. Swap price at about 665, 666. So 666 is the new 420, which was the old 225. That's your level in the sand to determine which way this is going to break, going into halving, and the Stoch RSI, which is now just peaked above 50, so it probably will hit oversold to resolve itself, or it does more often than not. Enjoy!